again, Thunder passing. Well, woman, the way this time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature, it's just that you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I'm in the papa, you can be the mom.
Today is a rest day for me and Jess, so we're gonna go check out the Caffeine Octane car show. As you can see, we got all these fucking cars out here. Oscar Mayer Wiener, a lot of fucking cars and noise. We're gonna walk in. It seems like you can just walk in and have a good time, but we're gonna go try and find Bill. So, let's go.
What am I doing?
Introducing your car.
Oh, okay. Well, welcome to Caffeine and Octane, 2024, April. April? Yeah, it's April.
April 7th.
April 7th. Anyway, this is my Nina, 1969 Thunderbird, similar to the first car I owned when I was a kid, and I had it, been doing the restoration on it, still a little bit to go.
Still looks good.
New roof, and I got to finish the trunk, but it's getting there. Work in progress.
Nice. No custom license plate?
No, just the antique plate. Well, costs too much money for a custom plate. And it has a 429 Thunderjet in it, and I just had the engine rebuilt, and there's 200 miles on this engine, and it looks pretty good.
I disappeared out of nowhere.
You just took off.
She was over here go.
Hey, we're recording. We're recording here. Hey, we're in a session. What the hell?
Yeah.
Don't worry about them. Worry about me. Cut.
Welcome to actual YouTube, where you fuck up every other line.
Fuck. What? Fuck. Fuck.
All right, thanks, Bill. That was awesome. We appreciate your car and your whistle. Please
Oh, yeah.
whistle on the mic. Oh man.
But that's how we found you, though.
Thank you, Bill.
You like the show? I imagine you're just like gaga.
I love it.
Money Mike.
What's the deal? It's your boy Money Mike out here chilling hard. We out here at Caffeine Octane. We getting crazy. We getting buck wild. We got the 1969 mother Ford Thunderbird on deck. We got the big ass truck right here.
Is this the new car you got?
Yeah. Well, this is the one where. Well, I mean, I'm almost 6 foot, and look at the hood of this thing, dude. Jesus Christ, dude. This is the kind of truck you buy when you have a small dick and you want it to feel a little bigger between your legs. That's what you do. We got the Corvette boys chilling over here, looking hard. Look at it. Look at that right there. Corvette on Corvette on Corvette on. Holy Moses, great Scott, Batman. We're going crazy out here. It's wild. It's crazy. People are having kids in the parking lot. Kids are being made in the parking lot. Everything is wild.
Oh my God, it's just Marina.
Oh, dude, is that is Jess Moran. Oh my God, look at her right there, dude. Dude. Damn, dude, she's
Gymshark, Co-Jesse.
Gymshark out here flexing, letting everybody know what the deal is.
Guns out, right?
Jess, check out that Supra over there. That's your style right there, girl. There.
She's like, wait a minute,
I don't like the color.
You don't like that color though? It's at least a left-hand drive, so it's like a.
Well, shit, that's worth a photo, right? I'll be right back.
I think so.
right, guys. So Bill
Right next to Piedmont Park.
Bill just gave us some wise words. So these are pleated because you can spread it out, you can stretch it. Because if you're that guy and can't just contain yourself with one little measly cup of whatever, you just gotta spread.
This is more environmental because now I have one piece of paper with more ketchup, and you're going to use 2 or 3 or 4 of them.
Yeah,
So
Jess,
you're
what
taking
the
down
fuck?
Forests.
I'm taking down forests. Yeah,
Maybe it's enabling you to eat
less than a leaf.
With less paper.
That looks like more sugar to me.
Well,
Now I can pie somebody with it.
I'm more I'm greener than you are.
Taco Bell. Taco Hell.
You get a piece
How do you feel about Taco Bell, Michael?
No, I got what? Something I never saw before. Double